Hello, my name's Kevin Baker. I'm a hypnotherapist and I work for a practice called Clarity and Wellbeing, which is based in Winchester in Hampshire. In this short audio today, I'd like to talk a little bit about how our thoughts and our thinking affect our body, particularly if a part of our body is affected by illness or disease. How we can, with our thoughts, if you like, increase and speed up the rate of healing. And the first thing to say is I'm not in any way suggesting that we should do this instead of or in place of medicine or medical treatment. Absolutely not. But if someone is suffering with illness or disease, then I think it makes sense to to sort of take everything going, or to use everything that's available, if you like, to ensure a speedy and a full recovery. So that's important. Okay, this audio is not really going to go in depth in actually how our thoughts affect our body. I've done another audio which goes into a little bit more detail on actually, in chemical reaction terms, if you like, what actually happens when we have thoughts. But this short one is just to say that it really is important when we are suffering with an illness or disease. It really is important what and how we think, because our body is constantly repairing and regenerating. The cells in our body are being cast off every minute, every second in fact, and being replaced by new ones. Cell regeneration, this is called. Now and that's basically how healing occurs. Okay, so cells effectively die off and new cells are created. Now it's really important when this cell regeneration takes place. It's important what we're thinking, because depending on how we think and what we're thinking, chemicals are released from the brain, and hormones called growth hormones are essential for proper cell regeneration. That's the first thing to note, and also secondly, it's absolutely crucial when we are recovering from an illness or disease. It's crucial that we don't have stress in our body, and stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. It's absolutely crucial that we reduce the levels of those hormones as much as possible, and then the cell regeneration, the healing, can take place much more quickly. So just a couple of things here. When we think about, so when we put our attention, our thoughts onto a part of our body, basically two things happen. The cells in that part of the body that we've got our attention on are activated. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that every part of our body is connected, or if you like, wired up to a part of our brain. Okay, so the second thing that happens is that in addition to when we're focusing on a part of our body, the cells in that area are activated. The other thing that happens is the part of the brain that governs that part of the body, the cells in that part of the brain, the neurons, are also activated. Okay, so with techniques which we teach our clients as part of the hypnotherapy, one of them being visualization, we can really, in addition to the medical treatment and the medicine that people are taking to recover, we can really accelerate that. So that's all I want to say in this short video. I do hope that you found at least something of interest in that, and if you have, then have a listen to the other audio, which just goes into a little bit more detail in terms of what actually happens when we have a thought. How does it affect the area of the body that we're actually thinking about? Okay, so well, thanks for listening, and bye for now.